It's Friday, tomorrow is the event. We didn't really have this video planned, but as we were discussing what are we gonna pack and what are we gonna take for the event, we thought that it would be a nice idea for a video of us getting ready for the drift event. So I've created this list that says what we need to pack and what we need to get ready. I divided everything in 6 categories, and we're gonna go one by one. So by the end of the day, I want to have everything packed and ready so we can go sleep pretty early, because tomorrow at 4 AM we're leaving. So we have 6 categories: a car, tools, space, parts, essentials, and nitrite. And today we're gonna go through all of them and we're gonna get everything sorted. Let's get to work. Okay, starting with the car, obviously this one is pretty straightforward. You want to have your car ready for the event. What I would suggest is checking all the fluids, checking the coolant, checking the oil. If you didn't change the oil for a longer time, just change the oil. It's always good to have your car clean on the event, so hoovering will be nice, just getting rid of all the dust and dirt that you don't really want in the car. For me here, there's another thing. The body kit is not coming with the car because it would be hard to go onto Lavetka. So we're gonna first put the car on Lavetka and then we're gonna put the body kit all around the car. So once again, oil, make sure it's filled up, it's good condition, coolant, all the fluids, battery, make sure it's safe. Make sure the car is clean as well. Also on the way we're gonna go to the petrol station, gonna fill up the car, and we're gonna take a container with more petrol. And me as a driver, I like to have my stuff ready inside the car. So the helmet, if you're driving, gloves and everything you need to have for driving, car keys as well, don't forget that. Already inside the car, getting ready, so you don't need to remember about it tomorrow. Okay, the next category is tools. It's good to have organized tools, not like me. I need to reorganize that and take all the tools with me. Don't forget about the jack to raise the car, and don't forget about zip ties, because on every drift event you're gonna need zip ties. Trust me. So the next category is the space, and what do I mean by saying space is the place where you're gonna have your car, the place where you're gonna have your parts, your mechanics, your wheels and everything. In Poland, most of the trucks, they don't have like a pit, how do you call it? Pit garages and that, so there's usually just a bit of tarmac you have for yourself. So what is good to have is a little bit of tent, just to, you know, mark your space, just to keep your car under the tent in case of any rain or in case of heavy sun. Also, it's good to have a tarp on the floor. Actually, a lot of trucks here, they require to have a tarp under the car, just to prevent any oil leaks or any fluids or something to make the, you know, the floor dirty and that. So you need to have a tarp. It's good to have a tent. It's good to have like a chairs, a table, something you and your friends can sit on. Also, we are taking the speaker, because it's always good to have a nice music with us. So the next category is your parts, and by parts I mean wheels and tires. Obviously the more you have the better. This is my set for the weekend. And also it's good to have a spare parts for your car. So spare diff, spare axles, I got the spare gearbox, some of the, you know, more parts you take with you, the better. Again, same with the tools. The next category I named essentials. Here I mean all the clothes you're gonna have to wear, all the food, all the drinks. Make sure to do the shopping a day before the event, so you know, on the way you don't need to look for a shop and just waste your time. It's good to have a lot of water, it's good to have snacks, food. Check the weather, make sure you have a proper clothes, and also if you staying over, like in our case there's 2 days event, we take a sleeping bags, we take a tent, or we're gonna sleep in a car or in a van or drunk on the side of a truck, I don't know, we'll see about that. Yeah, in essentials just make sure to have everything you need for a normal weekend, and a beer, a lot of beer. Like a lot. In category called Nitrite, I mean our stuff that It's not necessary for someone else to remember of, but for us it's some merch. As you know, we have a lot of t-shirts, a lot of hoodies, stickers. All the events we go, we're trying to take some stuff with us so we can sell it on events as well. So we take in full bag of merch. And also in this category there is my filming gear. You know, all the batteries has to be charged, all the SD cards has to be clean, the drones, the lenses, everything I need to remember of for filming. Also, after a couple times we've been on the track and we had to film, walking from a corner to corner or from one side of the racetrack to another can take a lot of time. So now we always take some skateboards. It's always good to have for transportation and just moving fast along the track.
Some of you may have a question, why am I not taking my Miata to the event? And the simple answer is, it's not really a car for this sort of event. This event will have a lot of, you can say, powerful cars and people with experience, and I don't have any event drifting experience, so there's not really much of a point for me to take this car to this one. But I'm definitely going to use it this summer. Probably going to be in the next 2 months or so. And also this car at the moment is a bit of a donor car for Sam's Miata, because he really needed a couple bits really fast. We decided to take it from this one.
The moment you enter into any kind of human undertaking in relationship, what an act of faith. See, you've given yourself up. But this is the most powerful thing that can be done. Surrender.
Do you think it will start?
Is an act of take